Hi guys, today we're gonna working on 2008, changing HID. So all you have to do is turn it, unplug it. There's a clip here, press it and then unplug it. Okay, so this is a new HID. Make sure you take this one out and then put the ring back. This is a gasket, so the water doesn't go into the headlight. So first of all, just put it on. Turn it. And then plug the stop wire together. Okay, let's see. Yep, so it's on, getting brighter, brighter, and then that's the old one. So you can just put the ballast aside, use a double tape or either wire tie. Let me finish it and I'll be back. Okay, so I put the ballast on the side with the double tape, and then I just use the wire tie, and then let me just cut the tips. And then let me show you the driver's side. That's passenger, and then before. Okay, so all you have to do is turn it to the counterclock, and then there's a clip right here. Push it, unplug it. And then put the new one, and then turn it to the clockwise from you. Okay. Try to turn it on.
Right now.
Okay, it's on. Getting brighter. Thank you for watching.